Customer 7717. This is video number 3 after drain cleaning. Snake drain from the furthest point out to the clean out, which is ahead. And this is the clean out here. Got the cap open, you can see the light, you can see the stuff flowing slowly. And what I noticed on the way over was a lot of standing water in the pipe with no debris blocking it, which tells me that the line isn't pitched correctly. It's holding water. Now at this point it looks like it's draining pretty good, kind of slow, but you'll notice as I go back further it's going slower and slower. I'll pull back a little bit and I'll stop. You can see the debris moving along there. You can see how slow the water is moving. Very slow, almost at a standstill here. And most of the reason why that water is even moving is because I'm pulling the camera back, kind of creating a wave effect. Let's get a little deeper here. Even when I create a wave effect with the camera, it's still not moving very slow. Or very fast, sorry. Nothing in the house is being used. There's no water being used. This pipe should be bone dry. Shouldn't have any water in it at all. See, that's not even moving really. This line appears to have correct pitch. Over to the first vent. This is the vent that I snaked from. Here's the lab sink. This line again, not any movement. This pipe should have no water in it at all. And that water is, covering the whole bottom of the pipe, not moving at all. Only when I move the camera it moves. Got a turn here. Still no movement. Seems to be getting worse. Still no movement. And there's the clean out ahead.